Where do you think the markets are headed? We've seen a very, very sharp rally on a year-to-date basis on the Nifty, and as also on the Bank Nifty. Many other indices are at record highs. How do you see charts? What is your understanding of fundamentals about this rally?
Sure. So, Shelji, what I feel is that, markets after consolidating for almost 1.5 years, that is in October 2021, when we peaked around 18,700. And after that, we have been consolidating for a while, for almost good 1.5 years time frame. Now, technically speaking, this kind of consolidation breakout after a decent 1 to 2 years kind of phase typically leads to a very strong up move at an index level. So a lot of people are worried. They think that obviously markets have moved up very sharp in a very short span of time. So whether it's a good time to enter at these levels, wait for a dip, or it's kind of a sell on rise market. According to me, it's more like a buy on dips market, because there are some structural changes which is happening in India. First, RBI, when it paused its interest rate, that is how we created a bottom in our market. Since then, we have been seeing very strong capex commitment by center, almost 10 lakh crore kind of capex. And if I look this number, if you put together addition of almost last 10, 15, 20 years, I think the kind of capex we are witnessing in this particular year has crossed this number all put together, which clearly indicates that we are shifting typically from a consumption led economy to a capex led economy. And we firmly believe whenever there is a capex cycle which starts, it typically lasts for a longer time. And if you look at the capacity utilization for most of the industries, they have reached 73, 74% kind of level.
Yes.
We have seen private balance sheets are improving, and that will eventually lead index to show further up move. According to my technical setup, till the time we don't see a breach below 18,500 on a sustainable basis, all kind of dips should be used as an opportunity to buy.
Ashish bhai, you are the right person to ask where the index is headed in the short term as also in a 1 year period. You've mentioned that 18,500 looks to a strong support for the Nifty. Let's look at two small stations, one till Diwali, which is in November this year, and maybe by March 2024, when the country would be getting ready for the next round of general elections, and of course will also be around the budget in February. What do the charts tell you as far as the Nifty is concerned for these two periods?
Sure. So, Shalji, as I mentioned, this consolidation was between 16,000 to almost 18,700. This is a 2,700 point consolidation which we were witnessing for almost last 1.5 years. Typically, when you see these kind of breakouts happening, at least we will see 61.8%, rally which will start happening. So, what we are looking both from a fundamental perspective as well as technically is that index is going to move towards 21,000 kind of trajectory. And, till now, we have seen, Reliance has been completely underperforming except for last 3, 4 trading sessions. So there is a lot of contribution which can start coming from Reliance. We are seeing Bank Nifty almost seen some correction in the last couple of trading sessions, but we firmly believe corporate credit growth as well as retail credit growth will be in the range of 17 to 18%. NIMS will be will be on a higher side, and NPS will be on the lower side. Keeping that in
Right.
mind, if 2.5 time price to book will look, banks look very reasonable. And keeping that in mind, I think Bank Nifty is poised for a move towards 50,000 in a shorter term time frame.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.